That's all so cool. Okay, head back to the island. This guy just slammed his door into my van. I don't understand it. It was like we both went through a ticket booth up there and somehow he like needed to pass me on the way down here, and he was definitely speeding to get into Ferry line, and we already went through the ticket booth. Anyway, I guess he just wasn't together, but he slammed his door into my van. There's a little bit of a mark. It's not bad. I could probably buff it out. It's kind of hard to see, but I think it's gonna be fine. There's just a little bit of a line right there. Like, bloody hell, dude. Anyway, heading back to the island, gonna go work on Nick's van. I'm gonna catch you up with a little bit of older footage that I've already kind of recorded, because I did a little bit of work on it from the last video, and then we're gonna dive right in and just carry on with the project. Look at the window seat. There you go. Done. So the way this one's gonna work is you're just gonna go to open it up, and then you lift it up and it comes out as one unit. That way he's got total clear, get right in there and service this entire thing and not have to mess around with any bits and pieces. So that's the method to this fancy madness. Anyway, this finishes up this side, which is great. So get that in there again. There we go. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Yeah.
Do you need the van? Are you gonna do some more assembling, or are you pretty much done, or?
Yeah, no, you can take it away. I can work on this from here, and yeah.
Yeah. I might pull the fridge out.
Yeah.
And then if you need it, you've got it. But I don't, like, am I interrupting anything? You're just gonna keep going a bit on this and just assemble?
Yeah, no, I'll keep going a little bit.
Okay.
And then just, I might as well finish what I just started right now, because it's I've got it all in my head and I don't want to have to like
rethink about it, yeah.
Exactly. So,
cool. Well, then it's basically done, the cabinet, right? I mean, you just gotta, there's the wine and then install, right? Like, that's pretty darn close.
It'll be wine, and then it'll be this face piece that is going to have the wine things incorporated into it with the shelves there, and then this one is going to be the face piece. A half inch that'll go like this, and then there'll be a bend like this. So that'll have to be back framed for it so that you don't see it on the inside of the van. But
that's not today, hey? I'm not stopping you from doing that, or?
No, for that I need the van, but yeah, I'm not going to get there today just because.
Okay. No, I just want to make sure I'm not holding you up from doing something.
The wine rack's going to take a little bit of time too to figure that out, but such is life.
It's worth it. It's worth it for wine.
Okay, there it is. Fridge, ventilation in the back, that step drawer, which is over there, and this is going to get a face, that's going to get a face, that's going to get a face, and the ventilation from the back. There's a piece of angle on there like that. That just gives it a little bit of strength for when he pulls the bed out. If anything hits this, it's a little bit more protection for the top of it. And there's going to be a gap between here and his actual bed. The bed's going to be supported on this guy and this guy, as well as the sides. So, whew. It's been really hot here working on this stuff for the last few days. And I'm going to take a little bit of a break. I don't know when I'll pick this up again, but I've got to go into Vancouver here shortly and grab some springs for my van that are done. I'm just waiting on a return call from them. They have to install them back into the struts, so hopefully I hear from them in the morning and I can zip over there and get it. But yeah, anyway, that's it. We are good. I am tired. I need to go shower. Hot day. Most of the day, this place is just cooking hot, and my van sits in the heat, the poor thing, all day. It's covered in dust too. Look at that. That's why I wear masks so much, you guys, is because the wind blows and the dust just gets everywhere, and you can see it in the inside of my van even. It just gets in there because I have the windows down and the fan going to try and keep this place cool. And yeah, there's sawdust all through this thing. To be continued. To be continued.